Hi everyone, how are you? I at the Procomp here now, and what I try to show you is if you guys want to do performance cars, come to Procomp. They can do for you everything. You can buy anything from muscle car Australia, from any store converter, okay? Any size of store converter, they can send over to Melbourne, and they can cut them out and do it for you. Any car if you want to upgrade it. So today my job is go down and get this flywheel bell housing clutch for the 302 Windsor. And here is the warehouse. These two all the ratio, the deeps and everything you want to do. So this one very strong store converter. And all around here, and you will see very nice head extractors, starter motor, alternator, and rebuild swap engine if you wish, head bolt, start and everything, flywheels, old Chevy, old Falcon Windsor. This is the old Cleveland manifold, mostly deep and sharp, everything. So it's really good actually for muscle car. Modification, alloy head, everything here. Yeah, if anyone wish to do something with the muscle car, come here, and the price is right. And then see, modified gearbox, very cool. See the deep sharp center, and even making the sandwich plates or housing.
Our warehouse is 6,500 square meters and put that stuff everywhere. So I'll try to find you some more in the meantime. But
even custom make bell housing to fit in with the manifold gearbox. So some gearbox like this, and they're making a plate extra adapter to go in there, all custom. They can make everything because they got a machine there. Even the dish, special dish for muscle car, anything. Down here we got more and more. You see the big warehouse. But this one, 6-cylinder online. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-cylinder online. Yeah, 6-cylinder, very old school. Ooh. What attention, you guys? Tell me if you know. And see the sharp, they can modify to make any deep gearbox for you. That one look like the Windsor. Okay, we are going out and get some payment, and even they can do crank balance and everything here. Don't be shy, go down. They help you with everything. Control unit, crank balance, and distributor. Everything. Even tail sharp, the 9-inch deep conversion. See, oh here, and beautiful tractors. I wish I have one. Okay, everything. Okay, and lot more up there. See, store converter, and we come to this row, and there is warehouse next behind this one. We double that size. We come there later and have a look. Even a high-speed convert, really good. And yeah, you see the workshop all along there, but I will show you the workshop. They got all the machine to do. Old engine, new engine, reconditioning engine in box and sent away to everywhere around the world when they need it. See, all the engine built and put in boxes, sent away. And see, all that. A lot. And yeah, really good. See, all this one custom make the div for everyone who need it. See, it's been for years in Australia, and yeah, for performance, and I'd say it's really cheap. Especially, see, this one really huge huge place. See the deep radiator, and yeah, bearings. See, brand new gearbox. They can get one into the Speedmaster. Oof, get that one put in. Super strong. With, see, the strong or not, you see the sharp here big. See this sharp big, that means it's strong gearbox. Okay, and go more down to the workplace, and you can see everything. Okay, here is the workshop and workplace. They can matching your piston, bearings, and everything. Universal dip. See, this one from the our diff. See, they can have everything here, and here, and here is the workshop bench. See, they got everything here for machine, and for the balance they have to send somewhere. They have some of their friends will come. See, they testing and all here. I don't know all this, all the gearbox, all the clutch, everything. I don't know. See, all the machine. I wish I have one of them. See where the warehouse here. You can go around with all the car, Procomps, and competition. Be honest, you guys come here, man. It's cheap. It's a really good price for me. That's what I find out. So today I'm gonna pick up 2 parts, but I'm gonna ask for buying a lathe. He showed me this lathe. I would buy it. Yes, I would buy this lathe. Let's see how much, and I would buy this lathe home. Yes, it's perfect. Perfect, man. It's perfect. I love it. Oh, 250 motor. Don't worry. I go home and swap the 240 volt motor in. Don't worry, I swapped the 240 motor. So this is the one that he offered me to sell him them too, and he want to sell him this one too. See, it's really good, man. But I would buy this one. Yep, I would buy this one. Beautiful. That's the best for me. Okay, beautiful. Okay, go along here more. Thank you, man. And yeah, all the Procomps here in Campbelltown, and you will see all the number I writing down on the screen, and you guys can call Peter. He's the boss here in Procomps, and talk to him if you wish. And yeah, bring your car here, man. Any kind of engine, they can make it go for you very fast. Now we're gonna go to another warehouse, and you will see what I mean. Come here, we have toilets everywhere. See that row, especially there, and I will show you more upstairs. You will see all about the gearbox specialist, and here is the gearbox place. And yeah, another warehouse. Later we go on the top there and we have a look. The gearbox place here, and all the collection car here, all kind of C4, C6, our muscle engine gearbox top loader. This day you come and you can get the top loader from the aluminium top loader. Before we already heavy metal one. Now they can have the top loader in aluminium. Okay, that's the good thing about it. Make it lighter. Like see, the most gearbox come out with the bolt around here, so they can make this one up the market to get this one go on and keep the gearbox into the engine. Make it easy. See, this one that build up the engine like Simon 2 did. See, bigger flat piston. And this one, the 4 bolt mains, is good. That's what we need. 4 bolt main, it make it stronger. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Crank. See, the gearbox here can be assembly and make it again. And clutch. See, come over here. You will see more. And later we go upstairs. Okay. All the parts and everything. Yeah, call him for any modification cars, and you will see all everything, you name it. Okay, he can have everything here. Electrical, you go to another site where all the muscle car, but here you can get all the parts here. You can get any different kind of quality parts here. Okay, high speed you need, force piston you need, timing chain, timing gears, over here, gasket, manifold, and see, very good. Even to Holy and Weber, you can name it. Okay, see the old back in the day, the old Holy. So this one like the single port, twin port, the Holy 250 or 350. This one back in the day we used to put this one into the Falcon XF. See this one, the 350 Holy. And if you want double pump, you can have double pump or single pump or secondary. If your car automatic, stay with the secondary. Okay, secondary is good. So see, or manually pump for the Windsor or for the Cleveland. See, yeah, a filter, a box. See, bigger, chunker. A filter, you can grab one. See, all around here, everything. And here is the boss. See, he's very busy all the time, talking all the time. And see, he's the boss here. You can see his phone number on screen. And don't be shy, call him if you can get him. Otherwise, you just send him a text and he will get back to you. See this guy, very friendly. I like him because his body. See, you ask him one thing, he get you straight away, and he close his eyes and he know which one he with. Very special man for me, this guy. We've been deal with him like we deal with you like 15 years, eh, uncle?
Yep.
Very old man. Sometimes you get all the problem with the old muscle car, the old Universal is all here. Okay, he can have everything here, and even they can make one up for you. See, the yoke, the Universal. Yeah, he can make one up to make the new model and old model to fit on. See? Don't worry. See, this is high volume pump. I'm gonna do the 408 shocker kit. We're using the electrical one, which always burn, always blow out the pump, and it didn't give me correct. So I get this one and put in the Clevelands. And you see the old style pump here. See the pump? I got everything, man. I got everything. Okay. Yeah, head gasket area here. You can go all the way with head gasket, and we will go upstairs, and you will see more. Timing cover for any car, muscle car, V8 especially, muscle car. And yeah, and if you have problem with the size of the piston or conduit, if you don't mind, ring him up and ask him, or bring the size of piston and conduit here. They can make one and make it go stronger for you, and cheaper for you. If you buy the, for example, 4-cylinder one, if you need a piston that size and the high-speed conduit, you can ask him and they can bring here and they can make you one and will suit on, and will be cheaper than you have to pay thousands of dollars online or buy something, you know, here, same quality, but it's much like 3 times cheaper. So not bad, not bad. So it's today. See the spring, head valves, they can do everything for you. They can upgrade the sprout, spring, everything for your car. See. Okay, we go upstairs. Crank. Here's the gearbox here. See, back in the day, the old one, they always built the bell housing building. I'm gonna get one for the Windsor, the Cleveland too. One of the bolt that holding starter a motor on my brother car like this one. One of these bolt broken, so we may ask him to get something changed. May get something make up. Yeah. And here is another part of the upstairs where they store all the new parts, old parts. You see, work up here. You will see the gearbox all around. And you will go with Simon and have a look. Don't fall over. All kind of the rocker cover. And look down, you would be scared, but don't worry, you never fall, okay? Really safety. Don't get caught on fire, that's all. Or even from electric fan to cooler, oil cooler, air cooler, everything here. So shaker if you want, that's very good shaker here. You can buy one for muscle cars. If you need one, ring number. You can have all kind of batch here. You want to get some, let him know. Very little tiny in the muscle car modification or chrome parts come here. Here is the high volume pump, sums and everything. Everything here, sums of volume. See, high volume of Procomp's company. See, they make custom make, okay? Really good to make more oil. So before they suck in. Yeah, and along here you can have your all kind of air filter, big, tall, fat, short, whatever here. We may need this one later for our brother, but we come back next day if we need it. See, all blowers, and see this one modified one belt for the Cleveland or Windsor, the housing that holding the alternator, air conditioning, all here. So one belt version. you can do that. Okay, and come here, or distributor, and MSD, like electronics distributor over here, make it go fast. And even we've got wire hook in for the ECU control. Valve cover up here, mostly something light they put up here. So something very light, gasket, something very light. See, you can buy this one for your cover. See the trims, door trim, the old way and new way. You can order and buy door trims here. Mostly door trims, see? All the rubbers and covers here, gear shift. Yeah, mostly everything here, guys. You can call and talk to him, okay? If you want to find something, don't be shy. Electric water pumps. You can get some pump, see? All kind of water pump you want, and you can have an electric water pump if you want. It's all yours. It's all yours, man. See, you can have chrome or no chrome mechanical pumps right there. See, electric pump. Put them on if you wish. Yeah, I'm surprised there's so many down here. This one for the Windsor. So many down here. Okay, go more. You can have everything. Yep, a lot. And come here and see him. See, very cool. Everything. See this one? Chevy. See that one? You can go for that one. You can go for that one. See, it's got the mesh frame cover just in case the rock go in. See, everything very cool, man. Single one Windsor, you can go high. See, oh here, look, what's wrong with it? Nothing wrong. Okay, 302 Windsor and super high. It gives you very high rev on the top end. Go really good on the top end. So okay, we go back out and that's it. Mostly, see this one very high. See, for the Windsor 351. The air fitting, the fuel line fitting, radius or stainless steel tubes or anything here. Come here, collect yourself. Don't be shy, and then you will be all right. Okay. See, any kind of fitting. Any kind of fitting here. Any kind of fitting here, okay? Even got the tools for guys. Little bit short video about warehouse and performance in Procomp in Campbelltown, Sydney. If you guys out there watching Simon YouTube, and if you want to know or do something about the muscle cars, from modification, engine, gearbox, from scratch into your car where you want, and that section over there, they can hook the Haltech aftermarket ECU and put on your dyno, and you can have the car go very fast. So this is all about the warehouse of where I stand in the top level of the warehouse, and this is light stuff only, but only one part of it. Okay, this is one part of the shop, the warehouse part here. Flywheel, everything for the Windsor and the Cleveland here. And see you guys when we go down the codes and we install them on. But you see, you need any help, call this for young man. He's a very handsome young man. Okay, and come here, do whatever you want. See ya.